Alright, thank you for watching on this video. This is how you install a tempered glass from ZAGG premium tempered glass. You can get it online. So here is a Apple Watch Ultra 2. So you can use it on the Ultra first version. Here I'm wiping it down with the alcohol, side, and most likely I like to do it on top too and on the bottom. So I'm drying it with this microfiber cloth that they include. As you can see, it's nice and shiny now. Here is the guide case that they give and provide. Here's the notches. There's a 2 notches on top and 1 notches on the bottom. You will see what is those are function for later on when I show you. Nice and shiny, still wiping it down. I don't know why it's still doing that, but I'm gonna need to use a sticker. This is the dust sticker that they include also. This is gonna be guarantee 100%. You don't see any dust or contaminant already because it's already in that sticker. So that is already done. Here is the tempered glass. See, looks different, huh? Because this is special. See those? This is the guide. That's the one I'm showing you. The 1 holes and the 2 holes. Those gonna be aligned to those plastic that I showed you earlier. The notches. So I'm looking on the red tub. That one. That's the bottom. You're gonna be like that. So you're gonna put them like that. Then now I'm gonna start peeling it out. Just peeling it nicely, and don't touch it, or once you peel it out you need to put them right away so there's no dust flying around and goes underneath that. You don't want that. So I aligned those holes to that notches, and you can see still have bubbles. You can just push it. It's not gonna worry about it. Just push it like that. It will gonna go. Go. Yeah, there we go. There's no bubbles at all now. There's another one there. Okay, there we go. And it's nice and shiny. You don't need to wipe it down much on this time because you're gonna need to remove that plastic anyway. So there you go. I'm showing you how you remove it now. Just slip it up like that, and what's in there is the tempered glass itself installed on your Ultra. So how nice is that? Nice and clean. The alignment is perfect because of this guide that they provide. Nice. I like it. So I'm wiping it down just like that. And that's how you install a tempered glass on your Ultra 2. Alright, so here we go now, guys. Nice and crystal clear. I don't see any bubbles in there. I don't even see that I have a tempered glass on it. Feels like nothing. Very clear. Now I will go to the dark. I just want to show you what it looked like in night mode. It's automatically, if you go to the dark, gonna go red, and if you go to the light, it will gonna go back to normal, just like that. If you go to the dark, no light at all, it will gonna turn. Right now it's sleeping. Turn red. There you go. And if I go into the light area, it will gonna show you. Right now I'm showing you this tapping gesture that new on this Apple Watch. The all new Watch OS 10 with S9 SIP chip. So I'm telling to my son to call, and you can also answer this your phone call using that gesture, pinch, double tap pinch, and there, and it's trying to call me now. There you go. Right there, my son is calling. Hello? Okay. There's only test. I'm gonna end the call. See, that's the one. Nice. How cool is that? Shoots. See, see how nice is that? See, it's everything works and good.